Hello students. Today let us see the topic called paragraph writing from the workbook. I am Abdul Bashir, assistant professor, and this paragraph writing in this paragraph writing you have three subtopics. Paragraph writing is divided into three. One is features of paragraph, and the second one is developing a paragraph on given proverb, and the third one is developing a paragraph on given quotation. But in this session we will see the features of paragraph. Paragraph. What is this paragraph? Let us see the etymological meaning of this paragraph. The word paragraph is originated from the Greek word paragraphos, which means to write beside. It is paragraph is a Greek word, ancient Greek word. They use this as paragraphius, which means to write beside. It is now to see what is this paragraph. We can see where we find this paragraph means we can find it in the formal prose writing. Either it may be a novel, or it may be a short story, novel, essay. Everywhere we will find these paragraphs. Now, when we see the features of paragraph, this is the main important topic of this session. You have to mind this and you have to see this carefully. There are two main or important features of the paragraph. One is unity and the second one is coherence. One is unity and second one is the coherence. Let us see these two important features in detail. One is unity. What is this unity? A paragraph which focuses on a single topic or idea. See, when we are writing a paragraph on a particular topic, we should not deviate from that topic. When we are speaking about, or when we are writing about a particular topic, suddenly we should not deviate from that topic and we should not write something else in that paragraph, or even we should not bring in the other idea apart from that paragraph, apart from that topic. Topic is very important. That is what we called unity. And the second point, which is the important feature of that unity, that is all sentences together speak about the main idea of the paragraph. See, for example, if you are writing about a paragraph about mobile means, you cannot write only mobile in the whole paragraph, but the main thing which I mean to convey in this point, unity, is that we should not deviate from the main topic. When telling about mobile, we should not go and speak about television. This is the important thing you have to keep in mind when you are speaking about mobile. These are the important 2 points. One is focus on a single topic or idea, and all sentences together speak about the main idea in the paragraph. And the second important feature is unity was the first, and second one is the coherence. Coherence refers to the arrangement of sentences. ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದಾದರೆ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಕೊಂಡಿ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಕೊಂಡಿ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಕೊಹಿರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಕೊಂಡಿ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಇದೇ ಬೇರೆ ಅದೇ ಬೇರೆ, ಆಗ ವಾಕ್ಯನೇ ಬೇರೆ ಈ ವಾಕ್ಯನೇ ಬೇರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸರಿ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ speaking about a particular topic, it should speak about the same topic, and the sentences should be arranged in coherence. And the second one is sentences are usually arranged in chronological order. See, I was speaking you about that mobile. When you are speaking about mobile, if you can speak a mobile is an electronic device, and nowadays it has become very important. It was invented in the year. You have to arrange the sentences in chronological order. You can give some importance about in the beginning, in the introduction, but you have to speak the important thing or how it was earlier and how the use of mobile has changed nowadays. And then you have to speak about the merits of using that mobile, and then you have to speak about the demerits of using that mobile, pros and cons. And then next is one sentence leads to another. Means when you are writing about a topic, a particular topic, one sentence should lead to other. That's what we call coherence. The sentences should be arranged in coherence. There should be a logical development in the presentation of the idea. Logical, that's why I was telling you about that chronological order. It should be arranged in chronological order. All of a sudden we should not speak about how important it has become nowadays, and then we at the end of the paragraph we should not speak it was invented in so and so year as by so and so. If you want to speak, first we have to speak who invented and in which year it was invented, and then how important it has become nowadays. What are the advantages and disadvantages of the use of this mobile phone? That's what this point mean. Logical development in the presentation of the idea. It should be logically developed. First it should speak about the paragraph speaks about the invention, and then who invented that, and then the year of the invention, and then how important it had become, and how was the use of that mobile phone earlier, and now how it had become. What are the adverse effect of that? That is what we can call coherence. And when we see the structure is very important. Two important features of the paragraph which we had seen, and now let us see the structure of, yes, structure. In the structure we can see a paragraph usually contains more than one sentence. One sentence cannot be a paragraph. You all know that. It contains more than one sentence, but it should be arranged in a proper manner. How it would be arranged? See, it should have three parts. One is introductory sentence or introduction. In a single paragraph I am speaking about. In a single paragraph it should have some introductory sentence in that, and then the content development or the details related to the main idea, and the third one is concluding statement or some conclusion. That particular paragraph what you are writing, in that particular paragraph first you should begin with an introduction, and then the content or the details related to the main idea should be there in between or in the middle, and then at the end there should be a conclusion. And then how should be the introductory statement or introductory sentence or introduction? How should be the introduction? This is often referred to as a topic sentence. Topic sentence. Today I am going to speak about mobile phones. See, this should be the introductory sentence of the paragraph. It introduces the dominating or main idea of the paragraph. We should not speak about the advantages and disadvantages in the beginning of the paragraph itself. When we are beginning the paragraph, there should be an introductory statement. We should state the dominating or main idea of that paragraph. And then the third point is it shows at a glance what is going to be discussed, and how we have to, we in this paragraph, in the next paragraphs, or in this idea, in this essay, we are going to study about, or we are going to discuss about the advantages and disadvantages of mobile. You have to state, or you have to show, or you have to tell what you are going to discuss in your further essay or story essay. Okay, this is about how should be the introduction. And then content. See, what should be the content? Means, as I told you, introduction, content, and conclusion. In the second part, it should have some content. See, how it should be. The topic of the paragraph is elaborated. The topic of the paragraph should be elaborated, and you have to elaborate the main idea of that paragraph, and then you have to give the details of that details which can support the main idea, which can support the main idea or the topic of that paragraph. And we have to include our own opinions. We can include our own opinions, for own opinions are about the data or examples, illustrations, quotations. We can add all these things in this content itself. And I hope you have understood this. First is introduction, how there should be an important topic what you are going to discuss, you have to state in that introduction, and then you have, in content, you have to give the supporting material or supporting details of that topic, and also you may include your opinions, data, thoughts, examples, everything you can include in this content. And how should be the conclusion? Conclusion should it should come with something comes at the end of the paragraph. The concluding statement or concluding sentences or conclusion should come at the end of the, we cannot tell that in the beginning itself. We cannot state that using of conclusion is very dangerous. We cannot, if we speak like that, if we write like that, definitely it is not a good paragraph, we can call it as. It can give sense, but it is not a good paragraph, we can call. And it sums up the argument made in the content parts. It sums up means what we have discussed, everything will be summed up in the conclusion. All the points discussed earlier will be put in a nutshell. See, I was telling you about all those things, features, everything I told. idea I told, coherence it should have, everything I told, everything should be put in a nutshell in the conclusion. This is what we call, what are the parts of the paragraph, what are the different, how should be the paragraph. This is and the kinds of paragraph, this is a very important thing which we are going to discuss. And the kinds of, there are several kinds of paragraphs which we come across, but most commonly used are descriptive paragraph and narrative paragraph. What is this descriptive paragraph? See, what you do here is you will describe the main idea to help the reader visualize it. Means you will describe the main idea in this paragraph. That's what we call descriptive paragraphs. And the second one is narrative paragraphs. Here this is very common and very easy, which we do in every day, which you do every day. That is narrate event or a story. We narrate many stories, we build many stories and we narrate, and that is what we call narrative paragraph. This is all about paragraph writing or introduction to the paragraph, about paragraph. And what we are going to study in the further next class is that we are going to study developing a paragraph by taking a proverb or by given proverb, or developing a paragraph by using the quotation or by using the given quotation. This is what we are going to study in the paragraph writing. I hope you have understood. You can, if you try to take some topic and begin to write, that definitely will come across. You can practice it in well. If you listen to the class and leave it off like that itself, definitely you cannot learn. You have to write and practice, then only your writing skills will improve. Hope you have understood. Thanks a lot. In the next session I will come with another topic, as I said you. Thank you.